Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this reMarkable Type Folio keyboard that I got from my reMarkable 2 tablet. I love my reMarkable 2 tablet, but recently found out that reMarkable came out with this keyboard folio for it. So we'll go ahead and do an unboxing here. We'll take it off. So you want to tear off this right sticker right here where it says tear here. And we'll go ahead and take it out of the package, as I have not opened this yet. So it looks pretty nice. There's what it looks like as you first slide it out. And then here's the front cover. And here's your quick start guide. Right here it says get started. First, make sure that your reMarkable 2 is turned on, connected to Wi-Fi, and updated to the latest software. Snap your reMarkable 2 into place and gently fit the side tabs. Looks like these side tabs here shown above, and push your tablet back to reveal the keyboard, and then you can adjust the position as needed. So looks like it's pretty easy to get started, but we'll see. Here's how it slides. So you'll want to slide it in here, and then it slides like that. Then here's your keyboard to get started. There's where it makes a connection right there. You can kind of see the prongs, but pretty cool from what I see so far. Looking forward to using this, and I'll eventually do a follow-up video once I have the reMarkable tablet in here.